here, and I'm in my kitchen today about to grind some sprouted wheat to make sprouted wheat flour. I like to make my own sprouted wheat flour here in my house and in my kitchen, but I do not have a dehydrator or a grain mill. I have been sprouting wheat and grinding it into flour using my oven, my sprouting process, and then a coffee grinder to grind it. But I also have a NutriBullet and a BabyBullet and the coffee grinder. So I figured it'd be cool to do a little test to see which one grinds the wheat the best and the finest out of those three. Obviously, none of the three are going to do as good of a job. This is my son, Micah. Are you going to say hi?
Hi.
None of the three are going to do as good of a job as a grain mill would, but they're way less expensive. And so let's test it out. Let's see which one does the best. Okay, here are our three ones that we're going to be testing. We got our coffee grinder, our NutriBullet, and our BabyBullet. And I have a jar full of dried sprouted wheat grains right here. So let's hop to it. We'll start with the coffee grinder. All right, to maintain consistency, we're going to put in a half a cup in each of our trials. All right, I just ground it and I just opened it up and it got it pretty fine, but you can definitely still feel some of those granules in there. We'll go ahead and dump it into a bowl. All right, the yellow rimmed bowl is our coffee ground ones. All right, now we're gonna do the NutriBullet. This is the milling blade from the NutriBullet. And I'm gonna put in half a cup. And then we're gonna do the milling blade.
Steamy. Oh, it looks steamy.
It's about the same consistency, although I think I like the fact that I could probably do more in there.
Can you help? Can you help?
So the NutriBullet flour is in the red rimmed one. Now let's do the BabyBullet. The BabyBullet also has a milling blade.
Oh, this side.
In there you can see the milling blade.
I don't see the milling blade.
Alright, so let's go ahead and add half a cup. Put the lid on.
Not bad.
Alright, let's open that up. And it is definitely more grainy than the other ones. And I ran them all three for similar time amounts. And that one will go. So let's compare all three. Alright, so this is the one from the coffee grinder. This is the one from the NutriBullet. This is the one from the BabyBullet. This one, Leah, watch out, honey. This one, I don't know if you guys can tell, the granules are much bigger. It is not as fine. This one is pretty fine. Let me feel if I can feel a difference between. I think the coffee grinder and the NutriBullet both did very good, but I think the coffee grinder might have done it the finest. It's a tough call. Okay, I had my husband come and give his opinion as well, because these two are really close. Both did a very good job, the NutriBullet and the coffee grinder, but we both think the coffee grinder just is slightly finer than the NutriBullet. So there you have it. The coffee grinder, as far as milling without a grain mill, the coffee grinder seems to do the best.